You're listening to the Seen and Solved podcast brought to you by Hubbard-Hall.
Tell us about a customer of yours that you kind of introduced this to and they're using, and it's really doing a better job than what they had been doing.
So we were working with a black oxide applicator, and they had some parts that had a really interesting geometry where there were a lot of recess, crevices, and basically places where moisture that would otherwise remain on the surface of the part wasn't able to fully come off of the part, basically. So they were having issues with a lot of recessed areas developing corrosion and rust over time, especially because a lot of these parts would have to sit in the shop or at their customer for several months before them being used. And we were able to utilize the MetalGuard 560 in an application where they would immerse the parts in there for about 2 to 3 minutes. It would allow time for the product to penetrate into the pores of the part and into those recessed cavities, displace any of the water and residual chemistry that may be still on the surface of the part, let them dry, and then they were able to really increase a lot of their protection and kind of get away from having any of these rejects or failures, eliminating all of their corrosion issues.
The Seen and Solved podcast is brought to you by Hubbard-Hall. Better results, less chemistry.